Okay, this street's called Beco de Pinga. So this is a little one that's going to go all the way to Rua dos Invernários. So we're going to be taking this one and kind of walking all the way down like that. And it kind of goes by some people doing some mahjong, I think, and or different. Just like you'll see it. So, anyways, this is Beco de Pinga, and we're going to walk all the way down it. Before we go down, we'll just kind of give you a little bit of context of where we are exactly. Can you walk back a little bit? So that's the bigger context of that one, and then you can also see all these streets as well, including this kind of antique right here. So this is a kind of an old building with antiques, and it's actually kind of cool as well. And then you also got stuff all the way down. There's a pension house. You can stay in that pension house. That's kind of interesting. You got that. And so anyways, we're going to be heading down that way, and that goes to Sao Paulo ruins and Sonato Square as well down there. So we're going to be heading down Beco de Pinga right there. Let's see if this guy's going to try to make the turn. Don't know if he's going to make it or not. So that's our focus street, and that's actually this kind of cool shop like that as well. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So that's going to be our focus street. That's just kind of. So we're going to go down this one. So of course we have all this other kind of cool stuff everywhere, and we're going to head on down. And I think they got some new shops. I think that's Central Line Real Estate, so maybe the real estate is getting popular. So hello. Let's see, I think maybe the real estate, because this is actually getting to be kind of a popular area. So we'll see that in a little bit as well. So we're on Beco de Pinga. We're gonna walk around in that place. There's actually a public bathroom right here as well. So we're gonna walk around that corner. So that was the one that we started at down that way. That's our target street. We also got like little makeshift home up there. There's a cat lady that usually feeds cats right in this area. I think she feeds them right here somewhere. This is kind of all makeshift. And then I think that Pinga, I think we're gonna go down this street no matter what. And here we go, Beco de Pinga. So that's also part of it as well. So got a giant tree coming out of that abandoned house. And I think this is also Pinga as well. So that's also Beco de Pinga too. And we have some other Becos, some different ones. So it's kind of a lot of cool stuff around here. So this Beco de Pinga is going to lead into that street right there, which is Rua dos Invernários. We're going to go around it. It has all these black and white tiles everywhere as well. So kind of cool spaces. Really interesting homes too. Huh. That's kind of cool space. So, okay, so we're just gonna walk directly down that way, and it's actually kind of all kinds of kind of cool stuff. It's a restaurant right there. There's also another restaurant here. So I don't know if we're still in Beco de Pinga, but that area is a really cool spot, and they also have all these bird cages too. They're all empty, but the decoration is really nice. So we're gonna just walk on down. Actually, that's really nice too. These little things right there. It's a nice detail. Yeah, they got a lot of kind of cool stuff everywhere. And I think that Pinga might end back there. I'm not 100% sure. But now we're out at Invernários Street. So so this is called the Street of the Herbalists as well. And that's the name of it right there, Invernários. So yeah, that's Invernários Street right there. And you got some other travessas too, with some nice cool artwork like that one. So Pinga was down that way. And then we'll just kind of give you a little bit of a Invernarios view. It's kind of cool too. So this is Invernarios, and then you have all these little travessas like that. So let's just kind of walk. We're going to walk around in a circle a little bit and just kind of give you a more fuller context of everything. Let's see. Later I'm going to fill that Emparo. There's kind of a cool story about that. Okay, so we're going to head back into Pinga. Beco de Pinga. Got an ambulance there. So that's the public bathroom that we just came out of as well a little while ago. And we're gonna head back into that spot right there. So Invernarios, Pinga. So okay. Like a lot of really cool detail everywhere here. Bird cages. Coming back to Pinga. She even got rooftop up there. So this is back to Pinga again, and then we'll kind of give you the full context. So Pinga was right around the corner there. Oh, this is Pinga. And then we're just gonna kind of give you a little bit more context. Another cool space. That goes back to Invernarios, Rosa. And then we're just gonna walk down this way and come back to the beginning part of Pinga. Just to kind of give you like a fuller context of everything. This is Rosa. That might actually go back to Pinga, but I know it definitely will up there. Let's give you a little bit of context and stuff. Let's walk this one. They got something cool in there. They're playing like all the mahjong games and stuff like that. This might be Pinga right here. I was gonna go all the way around, but this might be different street. Good. Hey, how's it going? Cafe Honolulu. So we're gonna head back this way, and yeah, actually he's a really cool guy right there. Let me see. So that's called Colas. Let's say goodbye. Okay, so now we're back at Pinga. So let me come over to this side of the street. I didn't realize that guy hangs out there. He usually drinks wine at a certain spot, and I'll see him at a certain place. So I usually always say hello every time. Okay, so this is Pinga. And now we're back at Pinga again. Beco de Pinga. Okay. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Pinga.